Welcome back, dearies, to Sinfully Desilicious. I happily kickstarted the Mango Mania 2 weeks back. I inaugurated the Mango Mania with Latin American delicacy Mango Tres Leches and continued with healthy mango wheat pancake last week. As I promised you last week, this week it's going to be eggless mango wheat pancake along with my kitchen secret recipe. As I have given enough introduction to pancake in the last week post, let's get into this recipe straight away. In a small bowl, add 1 cup milk and 1 tablespoon vinegar, mix it and let it rest for 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's start with mixing of dry ingredients together. In a wide bowl, add the wheat flour, cinnamon powder, sugar, salt, baking powder and baking soda. Here I replaced all-purpose flour with wheat flour for a healthier version. You can interchange both the flours. Mix it well with a whisk and keep it aside. Now let's start mixing the wet ingredients together. After 10 minutes of resting, milk would have curdled. To this, add vanilla extract, melted butter and mango chunks. Mix well with a whisk. You must have noticed I added curdled milk by mixing vinegar to milk and resting for 10 minutes. Instead, you can replace it with buttermilk directly. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and gently fold it with spatula till all the flour is incorporated into the mixture. Combine both the dry and wet ingredients together just before cooking. Do not mix both and keep it for longer duration as the air formed by the leavening agents would deflate by that time. Always prepare in batches and use it immediately. You may not get desired results if the batter is stored for longer duration. Also, while mixing wet and dry ingredients together, do not overmix. It will result in dense and flat pancakes. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Even if there are lumps of flour, do not overmix. Just make sure there is no streak of flour at the bottom unfolded or unmixed. If you feel the batter is too thick while mixing the wet and dry ingredients, then add 1/8 cup of milk gradually to thin the batter. It can be kept optional according to your batter consistency. Speaking about the consistency of the batter, it shouldn't be too thick or too thin. It should be intermediate. While scooping and pouring the batter, it should be thick and flow from the ladle like a streak. After pouring a ladle of batter on the pan, keep it in low-medium heat. After 2 minutes, you will see bubbles on the surface and slight color change as it would have cooked partially. It's now time to flip. After flipping, let it cook for a minute, then remove it from the pan. Continue doing the same for the rest of the batter. After stacking the pancake, top off with any whipped cream, fruits and syrup. I did with my leftover mango cream cheese frosting, then drizzle with caramel syrup. Now let's kickstart the kitchen secret recipe of this dish. Before I reveal the name of this delicacy, let's do the pre-preparation for this dish. Scoop small balls from Nutella on a greased plate or on a plate with wax paper. Freeze it for minimum 30 minutes. My kitchen secret recipes are the experimental recipes I create with my leftovers of that particular recipe, or it can be a variation of it as well. Here I converted the eggless pancake batter into a Danish delicacy, Æbelskiver. It's a puffy pancake balls prepared by Danes and most celebrated dessert during Christmas. Actually, the basic ingredients of Æbelskiver are similar to that of my mango wheat pancake with egg, but I tried with this eggless batter. Outcome was awesome as it also had a hidden filling. As you see here, it's Nutella. To prepare this dish, heat a pan which has pits or cavities in low flame. Here I use my South Indian non-stick utensil, which is same as the pan exclusively used for it. We call it as Panayaram Kal. After adding little butter to the cavities, then scoop the batter and fill off of all the cavities. Remove the Nutella balls from the freezer and place the balls on the off batter filled cavities. While placing, press the balls so they sit perfectly in the center. Immediately fill the cavities with more batter to cover the Nutella filling. Smear little butter on top, or you can skip adding. Close with a lid and cook in low flame from 2 to 3 minutes, or you can see the surface color changing, getting partially cooked. Open and gently flip the mini pancakes with a sharp tool or fork. Let it cook for another 2 minutes or till it turns nice golden brown. If you desire, again flip and cook for a minute, or you can remove it from the pan by poking it with the sharp tool. Mini Nutella filled pancakes with a crispy outside and soft inside are ready to serve. Again, garnishing ingredients are optional. Here I created a mango cream cheese frosting bed beneath the mini Nutella filled pancakes and drizzled mango puree on top of it. This spherical beauty is fluffy, soft inside and a crispy brown outside. If you cut open the pancakes, you will be excited to see the molten Nutella oozing out. Such a treat to all your senses. If you want to try my mango cream cheese frosting, check the description box. I have shared the link for the same. Healthy eggless mango wheat pancake is ready to relish. Absolutely a hearty meal to serve your loved ones. Hope you must have enjoyed my kitchen secret recipe, which is a Danish delicacy, Ebelskæver. I promise it will be a kids friendly recipe. When I discovered cooking, I discovered myself. So can you.